In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the footer menu on your Shopify store. Customizing your store's footer can be incredibly beneficial as it allows your customers to easily navigate and find important links such as contact information, FAQs, and more. Let's dive into these simple steps to tailor the footer to your needs. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Online Store. Once you're there, click on Themes to get started on customizing your site's appearance. Within the Themes section, you will see your active theme displayed prominently at the top. To proceed with customization, find the Customize button, which allows you to access the theme editor. This powerful tool lets you make a variety of visual adjustments to your store. When the theme editor loads, you'll see a robust panel on the left, filled with sections that correspond to the different parts of your site. We are particularly interested in customizing the footer area, so go ahead and click on the Footer section in the panel. This action will open up a range of options specific to the footer area. As you look over the various options available, you will notice an Add Block button. Clicking this lets you add different elements or blocks to your footer, such as menus, text, or images. For today's focus, we're interested in adding a menu. This is crucial as it enhances navigation for your visitors. Click on the Menu option to include it in your footer section. Once added, you will see further customization options for the menu setup. Click on Quick Links to decide which specific links you want to provide to your audience. These can be links like Contact Us, About Us, or any other page you believe your customers will appreciate having easy access to. Add all the necessary links that are going to make navigation straightforward and enhance the user experience on your site. After you have configured your menu to your liking, remember to save your changes. There's a Save button located in the top right corner of the theme editor, which is crucial to ensure that none of your hard work is lost. Upon saving, all the modifications you made will instantly reflect on your live store, enhancing usability and possibly improving visitor retention. By following these steps, you've successfully customized the footer of your Shopify store. Offering quick access to essential links will provide a better user experience and can potentially increase customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave questions or comments below if you need further assistance. Happy selling!